Welcome to Vapor Degreasing 101. What is it and what are the benefits? With Reliance Specialty Products, a comprehensive vapor degreasing equipment and solvent manufacturer. Vapor degreasing is a powerful, efficient cleaning process that in a matter of seconds removes oils, greases, and many more. The parts are exposed to a vapor solvent and or ultrasonics to create a completely clean part. A wide variety of industries use vapor degreasing to clean their parts, including electronic firms that use it for removal of flux and polar contaminants from printed circuit boards. Aerospace companies use precision and general vapor degreasing for NDT dye penetrant removal. Many aerospace companies also use it for precision cleaning of complex geometries for parts that have blind holes and other difficult to reach places. The solvent cleaning and vapor degreasing is an excellent option. Optics companies use it for cleaning of buffing compounds and potting compounds as well as waxes. And of course, general metal fabricators use solvent cleaning to remove all kinds of typical fabrication contaminants, including greases, lubricants, and cutting fluids. So how does a typical vapor degreaser work? It basically starts with solvent boiling in the boil tank, which creates a rich vapor zone above the boiling solvent and below the refrigeration coils. This is what makes the system efficient, as the solvent stays in the tank for continued use. The parts are cleaned in the vapor zone by the solvent condensing on them. The solvent takes the contaminant, like oil, into solution, and then it drops back into the tank and is filtered and cleaned for reuse. So a typical degreaser is not only a cleaning system, it also acts as a distillation system to recycle the solvent for continued use. The real magic happens because of the primary refrigeration coil provides the initial solvent containment, and the secondary refrigeration coil, also refrigerated, provides additional containment. The primary operates at 45 degrees while the secondary is refrigerated to minus 20 degrees. Vapor degreasers also have the capability of ultrasonic immersion for an additional level of cleaning. This helps clean blind holes and more complex geometry. There are many benefits to vapor degreasing, primary of which is that the parts come out completely clean and dry in minutes, so rinsing and drying aren't necessary. The next significant benefit is reduced labor, time, and expense. You can also process thousands of parts quickly and easily. Vapor degreasing provides simple maintenance, reduced operating costs, compatibility with many solvents, reduced emissions, and excellent solvent containment. And automated basket handling systems provide consistent cleaning and processing. The bottom line is that vapor degreasing provides excellent, cost-effective cleaning power in a compact footprint. Give us a call at Reliance, where we are a team of vapor degreasing experts, the manufacturer of the Ultra Vapor Degreasing System and the next generation solvents, Aerotron. Looking forward to working with you.